Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LogRhythm for security analytics step by step clearly. To start using LogRhythm for security analytics, begin by logging into your LogRhythm console. Once logged in, locate the dashboard section on the main navigation menu. The dashboard provides a summary of your system's health and security posture. Next, navigate to the Log Sources tab to ensure all relevant data sources are connected. If any log sources are missing, click on Add Log Source to connect additional data sources. Follow the prompts to configure the new log source according to your organization's needs. After setting up your log sources, go to the Alerts section. Here, you can view predefined alerts or create custom alerts based on specific use cases. To create a new alert, click on Create Alert and fill in the required parameters. Make sure to define the severity level and the notification settings for each alert. Once your alerts are configured, move to the Investigate tab. The Investigate function allows you to analyze security events in depth. You can filter events by date, type, or any custom attributes you set earlier. To start a new investigation, input the criteria that pertains to your incident. Use the correlation tools available in LogRhythm for a comprehensive analysis. This will help in identifying patterns and potential threats in your data. Next, utilize the Reports section to generate insights from your findings. Select the type of report you require, whether it's for compliance or operational review. Customize the report parameters as needed, then click Generate Report. Review the generated report for key insights and data trends. Finally, ensure regular maintenance of your system by checking for updates and patches in the Administration tab. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize LogRhythm for robust security analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.